Well, hey, beautiful family, and any new friends today, you're so welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. You're so appreciated. Well, guys, I've been doing some shopping, and as you can see, I finally got one of my packages from Z Gallerie. I've also been doing a little bit of shopping in other stores. I'm going to be coming to you guys with some shop with me's and other items I've been picking up, but in the meantime, I am so excited. I got my Allbero Candelabra from Z Gallerie, and as you can see, it's packed really well. I've been waiting on this. I've been eyeing it for a long time, and I finally went ahead, bit the bullet, and I just so excited about the way this turned out. I wasn't sure about the way it was going to look, but I love it. So the way this metal that you see here, they actually screwed this actual candelabra onto it to ensure that when it's delivered intact with no damage. And guys, it sure did come perfect. So this is the base. It's actually 3 pieces. Mine is the gold version, but like I said, it does come in silver, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I was floored when I took this out and how intricate it is, and the way they forged this metal. It's so detailed. I just love this. I love the texture of it. I love the pattern of it. But yeah, this is the way it came packed. So guys, if you're interested, really great packing on Z Gallerie's part. So yeah, I was trying to get this at a lower price, but unfortunately it's exclusive to Z Gallerie only. But this floor candelabra is so beautifully crafted. It's heavyweight iron, and then it has these tangle of branches and leaves, and then it's hand finished in an antique gold leaf. Gorgeous. Love it. So anyway, it's 3 pieces. Now I'm going to show you the base of it, but I'm also going to show you where you put them together. It comes with the base, the middle stem part, trunk or whatever there. That's where you actually screw it together. Very easy assembly. Because assembly is required, and then you screw on the top where the candelabra comes out, and the little areas where you would actually put your candle. Now it says that you can do it with the 3-inch pillar candle. I don't have any of those. I have everything but there's 8 of those for your candles. They said you could use it with votives or tea light candles, but it really didn't look right, so I didn't style it for you guys. I just put it in my corner. Please ignore that bar cart that I haven't styled out in months. In the meantime, just to show you how tall it is, I have like a 9-foot ceiling, not an 8-foot ceiling, so you can see how tall it is. It's actually 75 inches, so it's well over 6 feet. So it's just beautiful, but it's not taking up a lot of space. It's just tall and it's gorgeous. It really is. It just takes center stage, and it's just beautiful. So I just want to give you a close-up of the intricate details of how they made this. It's so beautiful, guys. I can't wait to get some candles and style it out. So by the way, while I was out shopping, I stopped by my favorite grocery store, which is Trader Joe's. I'll show you some flowers I got from there in a minute. But yeah, so I really love the way this looks. I can't wait to style it. As you can see, I couldn't wait to put it together. I do have some more items coming from Z Gallerie, so I'll definitely do an unboxing of that also, guys. But yeah, if you order it now, you'll definitely save some coin. I wish I would have known that, but it is what it is. So if you don't know already, I love Z Gallerie. I'm always doing Z Gallerie dupes, but I love Trader Joe's also. So just a good tip for you guys, if you're ever out and about and you have a Trader Joe's close to you, not only do they have fabulous finds and food, but they have the less expensive, like their florals are so cheap. I got these for I think $3.99 or $4.99. They're beautiful, they're gorgeous, they're lush. So that's just a tip that I wanted to give you guys. So in the meantime, guys, thanks so much for watching this video and watching me unbox the Z Gallerie candelabra. It's been a pleasure. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the bell, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. And thank you so much for watching.